The Beacon Home team presents 1316 Hilton Terrace in Catonsville. Open this Sunday, September 2nd from 1 to 3. This brick rancher has a surprisingly open floor plan, featuring a bright living room with light hardwood flooring, which leads to the open kitchen with breakfast bar, dining area, and great room. There are never too many cooks in this kitchen. Relax in the Master Suite Edition with plenty of room, private sliders to the rear deck, and renovated master bath with custom tile. 2 more spacious bedrooms on the main level, all freshly painted with a neutral color palette, hardwood floors, and ceiling fans for year-round comfort. The lower level is a suite all to itself, featuring a cozy living room with a brick fireplace, bedroom, full bath, and galley kitchen. The rear deck extends the width of the house, overlooking an expansive backyard with a built-in pool. Just imagine the summertime gardening and entertaining in this fabulous backyard. Walk or bike to the Patapsco State Park, village shops, and restaurants. Check it out, 1316 Hilton Terrace in Catonsville, this Sunday, September 2nd from 1 to 3. The Beacon Home Team. We care more.